wind, as you know, at the moment. It's not ideal for fishing, and it blew up a fair bit.
Right, Cal, hook. Ready? Get him in there. Dip him in, good girl. Good girl. What a fish story, mate! Do you believe that one? Look at this. All right. The only way we're going to tell this is we got no fish. Look, oh, that pole caught the fish. No, this pole caught the fish, and this fish jerked this pole out of his hand off into the ocean. So my pole caught this pole, and I reeled this pole in that had this fish on it, and this fish patiently waited for us until we unhooked that lure from this pole, and the fish was still on.
Queenfish, and it's a monster queenfish.
Is it?
Oh yeah.
It worked out quite well because we got the fish and we got the fishing rod back.